everyone, how are you all doing? This is Praveen from Dijs University, and in today's video we are going to watch a live native ads campaign built on AdCash using Clickbank's offer. And also we are going to use a particular software to create the landing page called Landrise. I've included the link for Landrise in the description of this video. It's going to be so cool, guys, so do check all this out. So before we proceed further, please support us by hitting the subscribe button as well as the like button if you like the video, definitely, and the bell notification so that we can keep creating good content for you always. So are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to today's video, everybody, and in today's video you are going to watch me build a live native advertising campaign on the AdCash native advertising platform using the offer from Clickbank, guys. So basically this video is going to be very straightforward, on the point, but it's going to be also a step-by-step guide on how you can actually go ahead and do your native ads with this platform. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm going to tell you how the whole process works. So the first thing is that let's take it from a consumer's view, on an audience view, how it works for an audience. So first thing is audience go ahead and see your ads, and then once they see your ads, they click on your ads, they will be led to your landing page, and once they are already in your landing page, then they click on the action button with the landing page, they will be led to the offer page, and if they do something with your offer page, then you will get the conversion rate. So that's how the whole process works, right? But now when we are trying to do the campaign, what we're going to do is we're going to reverse engineer the whole process. So what we will be doing is, first we are going to go ahead and choose the offer page, which is the offer, and that's what we are going to use Clickbank on. And then second, we are going to go ahead and create our landing page. We are going to use a software. I'm going to show you guys later what is that software and everything to create an awesome landing page. So once we have done that, then we are going to go ahead and create our campaign, our ads at the final part, guys, the last part. That is where we are going to create our ads and everything. So things looks pretty interesting, right? So are you ready to get started? I am ready, guys. So the first thing that we need to know is what is actually native advertising in the first place. A lot of people actually talk about native ads, blah blah blah. I want to create a native ads campaign, but what is actually native advertising? To put it in a simple words, guys, native advertising are actually paid content, just like your all other paid content, push notifications, banner ads, display ads, all this, right? Native ads is also a paid content. Whatever, guys, articles, infographics, video, you name it. If a content producer can actually make it, corporations can actually buy it and publish it on platforms like AdCash, for example, in this video that we are using, and they can actually promote it. So now you might be thinking, how actually native advertising differ from other type of advertising? Well, in order to be a true native advertising, I'm not saying that normal native advertising, because some native advertising really looks out of topic. It does not even look like native advertising at all. So in order it to be a true native advertising, the content should align with the publications or site editorial style. What I meant by that is, let's say Facebook, guys. So Facebook has native advertising, which comes under the sponsor ads. So if you're browsing through Facebook, blah blah blah, suddenly you see an ad, you know that that is actually an ad, but that ad does not differs a lot from the normal post, right? It's almost very similar with the normal post, right? Because that is how native advertising should look like. They should look exactly like a normal post, but then you should actually know that it's an ad, but the ad should not look like an ad. Am I confusing you? Don't worry, guys. You have seen native advertising many times. You have seen it in Instagram, you have seen it in Twitter, you have seen it in Facebook, you have seen it in website. Definitely you have seen it everywhere, guys. The main ideal native advertising should not be like an ad, but people should know that it's an ad. Even the thing is that even if people know that it's an ad, people still go ahead and click on that particular native advertising, and that's the highlight about native advertising. There's a study showing that 53% people click on native advertising more than they click on normal display ads or banner ads or anything such. And also native ads has proven to increase 18% of purchase intent, guys. That's crazy, right? So I can actually go all day long regarding native advertising. I don't want to do that, guys. We got better things to do. We got a live campaign to build. So let's talk about the tools that we will be using today. So the main tools that we will be using today is three tools. The first tool would be Clickbank. So we are going to talk about Clickbank. So Clickbank is where we are going to go ahead and choose our beloved offer from, guys. Our beloved offer from. So what is Clickbank, guys? As you can see over here, let's say what Clickbank says about themselves. Clickbank is a leading global retailer and affiliate marketer. That is exactly the same thing, guys, because Clickbank is actually one of the biggest marketplace everywhere, and also it is also a very huge affiliate network. So how does the particular Clickbank differs from other affiliate networks, and why Clickbank is very popular? One of the main reason is because Clickbank was established in the year 1998. As you can see from here, it has been available for over 20 years, guys, and they are actually available in 20 countries. As you can see, they have built more than $4.2 billion, guys. That is how huge Clickbank is. But that's not the main reason why a lot of people like Clickbank. One of the main reasons why a lot of people like Clickbank is that because Clickbank is very beginner friendly. Let's say you're a beginner affiliate marketing, and beginner affiliate marketer who just want to start your affiliate marketing journey. Now you feel like, okay, let's do it, guys. So you go ahead and find in Google what is the best affiliate network there is. Then you go ahead and find something like Max Bounty, for example, and Big Bang Ads, for example. Then you apply to them. Unfortunately, you are having a lot of hard time getting approved. These networks usually have a very hard time approving people, guys. So they usually be very selective. They only approve people with have before experience, in-hand experience regarding affiliate marketing, or at least you know your basic stuff, guys. So because of the verification is there, a lot of people actually apply for Max Bounty and don't get accepted. I was initially applying for Max Bounty few years back, like 7 years back, and then I got disapproved. Then I got really pissed off. Like for 3 months I did not try applying anything else. But then I thought of Clickbank. Then I went and applied Clickbank. It's simple as that, guys. Once you hit the sign up button, you can get access into Clickbank in less than 2 minutes, guys. That is how awesome Clickbank is, and that's how I love Clickbank, guys. Not only me, guys, a lot of beginners, a lot of affiliate marketers who are standing in their position right now actually started their affiliate marketing journey with Clickbank, guys. Even me and a lot of other super affiliate marketers as well. So we are going to use Clickbank to choose our particular offer. The second tool that we are going to use is called the Landrise. Landrise is a brand new landing page software which is still in the beta test right now. Um, we are using Landrise because there's few reasons why we are using Landrise. Let me just explain to you what Landrise is. So Landrise, they still is a what drag and drop template just like normal. So they have somewhere around, I think now they have somewhere around 10 plus templates. They're going to increase their templates definitely. And what I like about Landrise is that Landrise is actually once you get access into Landrise, you can actually go ahead and integrate Landrise with your AWS. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. All the steps is everything inside Landrise. So you're going to integrate everything inside AWS. So what happens when you integrate it with Amazon S3 or anything is that when you upload your landing page would be super fast. One of the reason why landing page actually fail tremendously is because of the loading speed. Like for example, ClickFunnels, WordPress and everything, they do have a very slow loading speed. Let's take the scenario. For example, you have an audience who look at your ad is simply great, then they love your ad, they click on your ad, then they go to the landing page. Once they are in the landing page, the landing page does not load. What would happen, guys? They will actually go ahead and end up clicking closing the landing page and go back, guys. So you will end up paying for the clicks because your click rate is going up, but then you will not get any click-through rate, which you should know that click-through rate and conversion rate is actually directly proportional. So we need high click-through rate. It's totally a different scenario if they don't like your landing page, then they leave. Then that's totally different scenario. But what if they don't even see your landing page and they leave? That's really sad, right? So that's what we don't want. That's what we are trying to prevent as well. So and one of the reasons, that main reasons that we choose Landrise is because of that. So you can actually integrate Landrise with external trackers as well, like volume, binom, rate track, and so many more, guys. But the main reason why we actually love Landrise is because of this. Can you see the word this? Affiliate marketers, the best landing page software for affiliate marketers. Have you seen a landing page builder has the word it's for affiliate marketers? No, because there is no landing page builder exactly built for affiliate marketers. I have not known any landing page builder like that. Elementor, WordPress, lead page, click funnels, whatsoever, they are usually built for sales funnels, for product promotion. I don't blame them, because that's where the biggest money is. So they don't actually build it to cater exactly for affiliate marketers. But this is totally different. This particular Landrise is built to cater affiliate marketers. I always have this feeling, I don't know about you guys, but I always have this feeling whenever I go to a landing page builder, I try to build a landing page, I always feel that, hey, why they do not have this feature? It will be great if they have this kind of features, right? It will be really helpful for all these affiliate marketers if they have this kind of features. But then nobody actually think in the perspective of an affiliate marketer, and that's what I love about Landrise, is that Landrise was built by a super affiliate for affiliate marketers specifically. So this particular person was an affiliate marketer like you and me, so he should have had the same thought like you and me. Like, the most important thing is a loading speed, it should be highly optimized, stuff like that. And he have actually built Landrise to cater this. We're going to talk more about Landrise when we start building our landing page. So the third tool that we are going to use is AdCash. AdCash is going to be our native advertising platform. As you can see over here, AdCash is a global self-serve online advertising platform for media buyers, which is us, affiliates, which is also us, ad networks, not us, publishers, not us. So with advanced in-house optimization technology over 12 years, ad experience, we provide business with digital tools that deliver our platforms to publishers, monetize effort. Okay, basically you can actually advertise. You can see what is that, what they do have. They have advanced tagging, anti-fraud, automated ROI optimizations and everything, conversion tracking, exclusive publishers and RTB, supply, fast campaign creation, self-serve platform, real-time reporting, and all that. So these are the stuffs that they actually have over here. So pretty much, I think AdCash was developed in the year 2000 something, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not pretty sure about AdCash when they was developed. I've used this 2-3 times before, but I'm not so familiar with AdCash myself. But they are very easy to use platform. That's something that I know. So they are in Bulgaria, Spain, and Estonia. So they are very easy to use platform. That's something that I really know. And I think I did a video creating ads here, right? So let's just go ahead and check out how all of this works. So we have taken a look at all the tools that we're going to use, and we are going to use another special tool called the Mr. Google. Definitely you can't do most of the stuff without Google, right? So that's why we are going to use Mr. Google as well. So are you guys ready? So first things first. So first, let's go ahead and log in into a Clickbank account. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in into a Clickbank account. Let me do this, guys. So I'm going to show you guys everything step by step on how to do it, guys. So sorry, guys. Fast. I type too fast. Okay. So this is a sample account that I have for all these video purposes and all these purposes. So once you have actually signed in into your account, you straight away go to the marketplace over here, and then now you can actually go ahead and start choosing your niche. So there's three ways you can actually do it. First, you can actually go ahead and Google what is the best niche 2020. Okay, for affiliate marketer, for example, let's say for affiliate marketing 2020, something like this. So you can actually go ahead and take a look at all these things. You can make your own research and everything, and then you can choose a particular niche that you want. So that's the first thing. So the second thing would be is that you go ahead and choose a niche with you personally like, you personally feel that you're comfortable with a niche. Because usually guys, I'm not saying always, usually when you have a particular interest towards a particular niche, you will tend to learn a lot of stuff regarding them yourself, and then you tend to not get bored and tend to try much more harder. This is just human psychology, guys. So like I told you, it's very simple. Just choose something that you like. For example, let's say that you like games, for example. So you can actually click games. You can actually see what you want to promote, strategy guides, for example, or you like fitness, for example. So you can actually see what you want to promote here as well, stuff like that, guys. So you can do all that. So the third method that you can actually go ahead and do is just no niche, no nothing, just choose the product via Clickbank itself. So you click on this particular search button over here, and the products will come. So you can actually sort it by popularity, sort it by gravity, sort it by everything, and then you choose an offer from here. That's how you can also do it. So let's go ahead and choose the first method, which I'm going to go ahead and choose a niche which I think is running a lot. But I did my own research. So let's go ahead and do mobile, guys. So mobiles. So let's see whether there is any good offers on mobiles or not. So okay. So let's so there's no any good offers with mobile. So how do I determine there is no good offers? What I usually do is I go to gravity. I go to sort results by, then I sort it by gravity. So once I sort it by gravity, I actually check out the gravity over here. Gravity simply means that how many people has bought this particular product in the last 30 days. So it's simple as that. So as you can see, the gravity is low. So I don't choose product which has a gravity less than 30. So I don't expect you guys to choose a product which has gravity less than 30 as well, because we are not trying to reinvent the wheel here. We're just trying to ride with the wheel. So don't do something which is not selling. Try to do something which is already been selling. So let's go ahead and choose normal offers and see which has the most gravity. So I think this is Godzilla. What is this? This is making money. I think this is lose weight. So weight loss has a lot. And also making money online. Making money online has good reviews as well. So let's do something nice, guys. So let's choose it from here since our first method failed. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let's see this offer. This looks pretty neat, guys. This looks pretty neat. So let's check out this offer. So they have good gravity over here. So let's check out this offer. Scribble, stay safe and write ebooks. Wow. Wow, I really like the landing page a lot, the offer page a lot. Like there's videos, there's so many nice words, and the call to action button is there as well. So there's coupons. Wow. This is like one of the most interesting particular offer page that I've actually seen in Clickbank. Very attractive. Let's see their call to action button down. So they do have a very big call to action button here as well. So their total value is $67. Okay, interesting. This is pretty nice. So it's the way for making money, right? So you write ebooks and make money. That's it, right? Uh-huh. Interesting, really interesting. Let's see their affiliate page. I hope they have good affiliate page. So the next thing, first you have to choose your offer page, then you have to see the affiliate page. Why do you have to see the affiliate page? Is because they will have a lot of tools that it can actually help you with your campaign, with your promotions. Okay, so let's just, sorry guys, so let's just go ahead and choose the affiliate tool. So I'm going to write my email over here. Let's just write a fake email, guys. I usually use fake email with Clickbank and I always get in. I don't know why. Clickbank is not so authenticated regarding that. See, I got in, I told you. All right, let's go ahead and check out. So there's video ads here. Want to see is there any other ads or not. So this is the affiliate link over here. That's nice. That's really nice. So your ID is something that you need to change. That is called here. So our ID is MS Direct. So let's see what they have. Do they have, I mean, they keep talking about the products. I just want to see whether they have anything that we can use to promote or not. Like pictures, email swipes, and stuff like that. They have a quite a huge amount of stuff, you know. They do have. Yay! So they have a email swipe over here. Nice, nice, nice. They have for direct offers. They have for high CTR landing page. Nice, 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 nice. So they do have a lot of email swipes. Yeah, I really like this one, guys. So they have pre-written articles review. Whoa, these are real articles, guys. Real articles. Pre-written Facebook posts. This is, I don't know, guys, I you can even download this video over here. Wow, this is like one of the best particular offers, the most attractive offers that I've seen in Clickbank so far, guys, really. So it's pretty interesting, guys. So no need to waste time, guys. So we can use the things here. We can check out all this later. So let me just, they even have Facebook ad tutorials, guys. So that's really nice, guys. So with this one, so let's just choose this offer, guys, not to waste time. So this is the offer that we're going to choose. So you can actually just go ahead and generate a link by clicking promote and then just hit generate hop links, and this would be your affiliate links that you're going to paste in your landing page. So that's it, guys. We have done choosing our niche, we have choose our offer. Now we need to go ahead and create our landing page. So let's go to Landrise. So like I told you just now, you have to go ahead and log in into Landrise. So once you register and log in into Landrise, this is how it will look. So here is, it will have few columns. Don't be surprised on how it looks, guys. It's still in the beta, like I told you just now itself. So they have few columns here: landing page templates over here. So they have 9 templates. Okay, they are increasing the templates as well. So there is something called domains over here. This is something that you might not have seen before, but it's really surprising, right? So why it's here is that you are actually connecting your domains with this particular, what we call it, Amazon S3, right? So Amazon S3 needs to have domain. So that's why there's a section for it for domain here, where you can actually upload your domain into Amazon S3. So you can actually go ahead and add your domain. First things, you need to go to the support, guys. This is very interesting. Even though they're still in the beta version, you can actually see that they put a lot of efforts in support. So you can actually see the basics of how to use Landrise. You can actually see how to create a landing page, and you can actually see everything is in depth, guys, step by step, how to do it. Definitely we are going to talk about how to do it, guys, but I'm just going to show you guys. They have everything in depth support over here. And if you don't know how to set up an AWS account, they teach you how to set up an AWS account A to Z, from buying your domain, how to set up your SSL, how to set up your bucket, how to set up your hosting, all these, guys, all this. And then they actually teach you on how to connect AWS to Landrise as well. Landrise as well. So everything is step by step, guys. This is so awesome. I always, when I was actually creating this particular landing page, everything was like so messy. I don't know what to do when I was initially creating landing page with Amazon S3. I need to go Google. I even actually did what we called a pre-call with the AWS support to actually help me with all these stuffs. So much hectic work. And I really wish at that time I have this particular page guide, guys. If I had this AWS guide last time, it would make life so easy. It's so in depth, guys, step by step, how to do it, how to do it. So don't worry, guys, you will not get lost with this manual. So the next thing is, if you still have any question, you can go ahead and issue a ticket to the Landrise support team, and they will actually go ahead and do it for you, guys. They will actually help and support you on this particular part. So let's go ahead and start creating our landing page, shall we? So we have done all that. So the first thing is, so you can go to the landing page over here and go to the new landing page and start creating a new landing page. So once you click that, you will be lead to this particular column where you can actually choose the template of the landing page that you want to create. So you can actually go ahead and see and test all of these landing page that you want to see how it looks like, everything. So basically, I'm just going to choose one and show you guys. So this is the one that I'm planning to use for today's video. So just going to create page and name the page. So it's going to be Scribble, right? What is that? Scribble. So it's going to be Scribble. So Scribble. So I'm just going to save, and now I have actually come to this page over here where I can actually go ahead and do the landing page, guys. So let's get started, shall we? You can either go ahead and click somewhere that you want to edit, like for example you want to edit this one over here, so you just go ahead and hit the age limit, and you can actually change this over here if you want to, or you can just follow everything step by step on how to change it, guys. So I usually like to follow this one, or I can even edit, so totally depending on what I want, right? So let's start with changing the background over here. So let's go ahead and change the background. Let's go ahead and find we have anything that we over here that we can actually change the background or not. Any promotion product which we can use as our background or not. Wow, this is big, right? So I think this one is something that we can use. This is pretty nice, right? So let's go Landrise. So select image. You're gonna browse the image over here. Then we're gonna go downloads. Did it in downloads or something? Yep, downloads. So opened. Ta-da! We have changed the background, which looks pretty crazy right now, right? So let's change the next one. So text pop-up, are you here now? So let's change it into something which is related to Scribble. Ebooks in minutes. That sounds interesting. Ebooks in minutes. So this is the one title over here. Before you enter the game, we should ask you a few questions. So let's do this description one. So these are the questions, right? Yep, these are usually the questions. These are the questions. So you can actually hit next, next, and you can see the whole process how it goes. Let me just save it and hit the continue button. So yeah, so that's how it goes. So shit, I did not save it. So make sure when you're doing anything, you are actually saving it, right? So everything you do. So I always forget to save. I have this kind of thing even when I'm playing game last time. I always forget to save. So save that first, and then change this ebooks in minutes. I always get this when I'm playing game, and then I don't save, and then I have to play everything stuff from starting again. So before you enter this game, we need to ask you a few questions. Um, that is something that we don't want, right? So do you want that? So I don't think this is good question. So let's go ahead and find in any swipe any ads that they have that we can actually use. They had a lot of ads right just now that we can actually use. So okay. Pre-written articles, pre-written posts. See, this is good enough. I think this is not enough. So we're gonna change this into white. Yep, make Kindle your cache right now. So let's go to the first question. First question, let's change the first question, guys. Are you willing to make money from home? Yes. Second question would be, save this first. Second question would be, uh, will you be interested to invest your time if you were to learn something, learn ways to make money from home? I'm just doing random questions, guys. You can actually do it yourself. So these are the two questions that I asked. So save it, okay? Then yes, wait, answers are checking the possibility of registration. So okay, this is something that we can check. Okay, answers are checking. Getting yourself, getting ready to teach you how to make money. You can you can start learning the magic trick now. Good luck. So save this first. So you can actually see the images over here. If I want just to keep it like this, I don't want to spend a lot of time. So if you want to see the images over here, you can actually change the images. You can change all the other stuff. I think this is pretty neat already. I like this already. So this is how you do it, guys. So you can actually save this template over here, and then you can do the remaining stuffs. Whether you want to go ahead and change the name of the page. The name of the page is okay already. And finally, this is where you go ahead and add your offer page URL. So we copied our offer page URL here, right? So we're going to copy this, and then we're going to paste it here, and then hit the save button, and you have and you have successfully created your landing page, a highly convertible landing page, which really works. So you can actually go ahead to your landing page over here. You can actually see the landing page is already here. So you can also go ahead and do other landing pages, templates, if you want to. You want to change everything else. So once you have done all that, just hit the publish button, choose the domain that you want to publish, anything that you have added, and hit the publish button, and that's it. You have successfully published your landing page, guys. It's that easy, guys. So now we have completed our second step of publishing our landing page. So let's go ahead and do the final step, which is creating the ads itself. So to do that, you need to go to AdCash over here. You need to register yourself into AdCash, and then once you have actually registered yourself into AdCash, then you can actually go ahead and sign in into AdCash. So this is how the dashboard of AdCash looks like once you have actually signed in into the AdCash. So let's go ahead and start creating campaign, shall we? So it has been some time to create campaign. It has been some time since I created a campaign with AdCash. So let's do Express campaign. So let's create campaign. So there's two ways on creating campaign, Express or the fully customized one. So we want to create native one, native ads. So our campaign name is going to be Scribble, right? Scribble. So our landing page URL is going to be the one that we have already published. So you must always remember the domain that you published, right? So if you don't know, you can actually go ahead and see here the domain that you published. So we have published here. And also remember that whatever domain that you use over here are usually the ones that already been enabled with SSL. If you go ahead and see how to set up domain, they actually teach you how to put SSL and everything as well. So make sure you put SSL as well. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. So we're going to go over here. So the difference between SSL and without SSL is HTTP means without SSL. HTTPS means with SSL. It's that simple. So once you have done that, just paste the domain over here. This is our domain and .com. That's it. So next step is we are creating a device. So we only want it to be on mobile. So we can actually go ahead and create geo targeting. So we can choose a custom country that we want to target, or you can choose worldwide. I'm just going to choose worldwide. I don't want to choose any custom country. So here is where we are going to do our creatives, guys. So let's go ahead and choose a nice title from the page here. So email swipe. I wanted to see the Facebook one because they had an ad for Facebook, right? Pre-written Facebook, Twitter post, pre-written Facebook post. Post. I don't want post. Post is okay. Actually, this is nice. Okay. This is crazy. Game. Changing ebook creator is now live. I think this is great. So you're gonna copy this. We're gonna put here scribble, right? Scribble, and then we're gonna put an image over here. Image is something that we're gonna take from here as well. So we're gonna do a nice image. What image can we use? Oh, the image are down. So these are the image. I think this one is good, right? So let's download this. This one is good as well. Download this. So let's check out which one works well. So we're gonna do download banner. So I think everything looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. This one should be too much. No, this one we can't do much. So I think this is good. So let's go ahead and hit the save button. So okay, we have successfully created our ad. So this is how our ads is going to look like. So pretty nice. So we're gonna save this particular creatives, or you can go ahead and add more creatives once you have saved it. So I'm just gonna go with one creative. So you can add like 5-6 creatives. I think even 10 creatives is there for you to go ahead and add. So once you have done all that, you can actually allow targeting. So what type of sauce you want it, native sauces, all these native sauce, you can choose. You can choose a particular user interest that you want, which is pretty interesting. So we are going to choose user interest. This is good. This is something that you can actually see. You can actually see website categories. Nice. So they are very good in targeting AdCash, right? Because AdCash has a lot of big clients. So you can choose browser, you can choose connection limits, you can choose organizations, what type of organization you want, zone. You can schedule your ads, whether it's 24/7 or you can schedule it for a custom time over here. So make sure, but when schedule it custom time, it's actually +2 GMT. So this whole time follows +2 GMT. I'm +8 GMT. So traffic restrictions, does you allow adult traffic or not? So don't allow adult traffic. So next one is bidding. So you can actually see the average bid is already here. So you can choose CPM or CPC. I would like CPC. So you can actually just follow the average bid over here. So it's 0.06, right? So just leave it 0.06. So frequency capping, you can actually set it unlimited, or you can cap how many times one person actually sees your limit to 1 clicks every 24 hours. You can do this per day. Budget, you can leave unlimited, or you can do custom budget over here. So let me just do custom budget. So it's going to be, no, I'm just going to do unlimited. So daily budget is going to be $50, for example. So you can do campaign scheduling over here. You can also do zone capping over here. So basically that's it, because we're doing express, right? So there's another one which you can go much more in depth if you're more interested in targeting and everything. But basically this would actually do it. So all you got to do is just hit the submit campaign button, and ta-da! You have successfully created a campaign with AdCash. So basically that's how you go ahead and create a native advertising campaign on AdCash using Clickbank, guys. I really hope that this video was exciting for you guys. It was long, but then I hope you managed to learn one or two things from this video. I really hope to see you guys in next video. So before I go, make sure that you help us by hitting the subscribe button and the like button if you like this video, as well as the bell notification, so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And if you want to use Landrise, I've actually include the link to Landrise in the description of this video, so make sure to go ahead and check it out yourself. So that's about it from me, guys. Thanks again for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next one, and bye bye.